Hi, good morning. My name is Tamanyu and I'm currently studying in Diploma in Mechanical Engineering at Polytechnic Banting Selangor. My current CGPA is 3.75. Throughout my studies, I have learned core engineering subjects like thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and basic manufacturing process such as machining and welding. I also have experience using design software like AutoCAD and SolidWorks. Besides that, I worked as a shop assistant before, where I handled daily operations and customer service. The experience helped me become more responsible, organized, and able to work under pressure. I'm also involved in safety and health activities in campus, which helps me understand the importance of safety in any technical work. One of the main projects I work on is called Sense Portal. The Sense Portal is a smart system designed to follow a user automatically using sensors. The idea is to help carry items in place like warehouse, factories, or even outdoor environments. In this project, I was involved in both hardware and programming. I work with components like ultrasonic sensors, motors, and microcontrollers such as ESP32. I also help design the system logic where the device can detect distance and follow the user on a safety range. Throughout this project, I learned how to integrate different components, troubleshoot issues, and improve the system step by step until it works smoothly. During the Sense Portal project, one problem I faced was the motor was not responding properly, especially on one side. At first, I wasn't not sure whether the issue was from the wiring, the motor driver, or the coding. So I decided to troubleshoot step by step. I test each component individually, check the wiring connections, and review the program logic. After some testing, I found that the issue was related to the motor driver connection and signal output. Once I correct the wiring and adjust the control signals, the motor start working properly again. From this experience, I learned that the solving problems requires patience, systematic checking, and not skipping steps. To ensure safety and quality, I always follow a few simple but important practices. First, I make sure I follow safety procedures, especially when dealing with electrical components and machines. My involvement in safety programs helped me become more aware of risk. Second, I always prepare before starting work, like checking connections, components, and making sure everything is set up correctly. Lastly, I always double check my work, especially wiring and coding, to avoid mistakes and ensure everything works as expected. In mechanical and engineering work, attention to detail is very important because even a small mistake can cause big problems. For example, in my Sense Portal project, a small wiring mistake caused the motor to not function properly. Being detail-oriented helps me identify issues early, reduce errors, and improve the overall performance of the system. So it also shows professionals and responsibility, which are very important in engineering. So thank you for your listening. I appreciate this opportunity.